What's up, guys? Getting ready to head home here. Seems it's rained a little bit. This is my bike, 2011 Yamaha FZ8. I like it. Couple mods to it. Got an Akrapovic slip-on. I like it. I like it a lot. We're gonna ride home here, and I was just wondering if you guys, how many of y'all ride in the rain? Those people scared? I like riding in the rain. I mean, not like a torrential downpour or anything, but a little bit of rain never hurt nothing.
Right, brother. That is pretty badass.
I like it. I plan on trying to get out this weekend, but they say it's gonna be thunderstorms. You know, I said I don't like riding in the rain, I don't mind it, but I'm not gonna ride in a freaking horrendous downpour with thunder and lightning, so we'll just have to see. But either way, try to do some more stuff for you guys. Glad I wore my leathers today. It's up to like 77 yesterday after the rain, and then today it's 50 degrees right now. So yeah, plenty of vlogs will be coming along. Just bear with me, still new here, but say thanks for the overwhelming support, initial feedback I've gotten from all you guys. It's been really nice. If you look down on the right side of my main screen, you'll see I have my favorite Motovloggers listed down there. So let's see, like Jake, the Garden Snake, LJ, Chase, Spicy's actually sending me some stickers. I told him I'd throw him up one here in Jersey, or can make a trip to New York and throw it up there for him somewhere. But super nice guy. Like I said, if you don't know who I'm talking about, any of these people are really good, great motovloggers, very, very entertaining. Just look on my main page there, and you'll see their links under my favorite moto video logs. Po-po, it's a po-po. So yeah, hopefully weather willing, I'll get out this weekend and try to do something a little better for you guys. So that's about all for now. So until next time, ride safe, ride straight.